as far as I'm concerned, since we met you people 500 years ago, look at us. We've given everything. You are still taking. It's true. I mean, where would the whole Western world be without Africa? Our cocoa, our timber, our gold, our diamonds, our platinum, our whatever. Everything you are is us. I am not saying it, it's a fact. And in return for all of this, what have we got? Nothing. Anti-personnel indoctrination against ourselves. If you go and cook your horrible diseases like AIDS, you say it is us. You brought us tuberculosis. We didn't have this big cough until white people came here. In exchange for Africa giving Europe 500 solid years of our people, I mean, not Europe, the Western world, of our human beings to work your canes, to dig your gold, to take in gold itself, diamond, I mean, you know, fish, peanuts, palm oil, everything. In exchange for that, we have got nothing. Nothing.
From the left hand, it represents a woman that is a female. The left hand is softer and a little shorter than the right hand. That is 80. Same with the left AISI that represent Denu, 90, Time, and 8. While the right hand, it represents man. The right hand is stronger and taller than the left hand. That is male. The Eniigwe. The right AISI represents everything. The right AISI, that is Anya Eniigwe. The Eniigwe AISI is the sky. The sky is AISI. The left and right AISI, that